Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about accepting cash only.
So one of the things about accepting cash only is it can really hinder you in today's marketplace. In the world of technology, it seems like everybody carries around plastic or some form of plastic in their wallet or billfold, and it's one of the most convenient ways for someone to pay. Whether that be their Visa debit card, or it be a credit card, or a gift card, a Visa gift card. It's one of the easiest and most convenient ways for people to pay, especially at like street venues and stuff like that, where they might be a little apprehensive about bringing a wad of cash with them and being pickpocketed.
Yeah, definitely. So at craft shows or street fairs, things of that nature, cash only is definitely fine, but you will find there's probably going to be a few customers in there or potential customers that wanted to purchase one of your more expensive items, but they didn't have the cash on them. And so in that case, they'll take a business card and maybe, hopefully in the future, they'll get with you, whereas they would have been ready to make that purchase right away. Now, there's a few easy solutions for doing that goes right with your smartphone. Some are offered through Square, some are offered through PayPal. I'll have videos on that linked in the description below. As far as like selling on Etsy and online websites, if you only accept like a check per se and somebody has to mail that to you, that's like the slow train to nowhere, right? Because you gotta wait 7 days for it to arrive to you, 7 days, at least to ship the item back. So you're talking at least 2 weeks. Not including handling time on the item. So you got to come up to the 21st century here, Go ahead and get the credit card accounts so you can accept people's money and make it a smooth and easy transaction. Yeah,
and there's a lot of different things you could do. I think there's Square Reader, and I mean, I think PayPal's got one. It's a little swipe card deal. I'm sure there's a bunch of other ones out there that go into your cell phone. People were very sketchy about those to begin with, but now, I mean, they're so commonplace. People are used to them, you just swipe and go kind of thing. And the great part about that, too, is you get your money and it's verified pretty much almost instantly. And so it's in your account. There's not really a wait time or a processing period on most of those. I don't believe the last time we used them.
If anything, a day, maybe.
Yeah, if anything, there's about a day hold, depending on the purchase size. But, once again, like we said, come up to the 21st century and start accepting some plastic in your life. Well, that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. I hope you all really enjoyed this video.
Yep, we appreciate you for watching.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.